I can't wait to take this flight to come back home. Watching, counting every sunset till you're back in my arms.
Ang dahilan kung bakit kayo nandirito sa loob ng simbahan, ipinapakita ninyo na kayo'y nagmamahalan at nakita nyo yung pagmamahal na yon kay Kristo. Let the best comes out to each of you. Ipalabas ang the best.
When I'm back home, it's 9 in the morning. Won't be long until I'm back where I belong. And they say distance makes the heart go fonder, then my heart is overgrown. The memories we're gonna make when I'm back home. When I'm back home, when I'm back home, when I'm back home. It's 10 in the evening, I can see your silhouette through our front door.
I-nurture natin yung love. Kasi doon tayo nagsimula. Yun yung beginning ninyo. Diba? Sinasabi ang hindi marunong lumingon sa pinanggalingan ay hindi makakaroon. Ganun din. When you don't know the very reason why you are here and the very reason why you get together, meet together, it is because of love. Mawawala kayo. You will not last forever. Hindi kayo magtatagal. No? Ito po ang ating panalangin sa kanila, na sana ngayong ipinagdiriwang natin ang kanilang kasal at ang ebanghelyo natin ay ang unang milagro ni Jesus sa kasalan sa Kana, maging Kana sana ang inyong buhay.